boys and girls, today on our math lesson we're going to be talking about money and coins. So let's practice identifying the coins you've been working on at home so far. The first one, this is a coin that's worth the most amount of money that we've had at home. Do you recognize this coin? It's the quarter. Here's the front of the quarter, here's the back of the quarter. And a quarter, boys and girls, is worth 25 cents. So when you're counting quarters, you have to remember the value is 25 cents. Okay, the next coin we're going to talk about looks like this. Here's the front, and here's the back. What do you think the name of this coin is? If you're thinking dime at home, you're right. We have a dime. And the value of a dime, boys and girls, is 10 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents. The next coin we're going to talk about looks like this, silver in color. Here's the front and here's the back. Do you know the name of this coin? This coin is a nickel. Nickel. And a nickel is worth 5 cents. 1 nickel equals 5 cents. The last coin, boys and girls, I want to talk about this today is a penny. A penny, the front of a penny and the back of a penny. That one's easier to find because it has the brown color to it. A penny. And I bet you can count pennies, right? A penny is worth, are you thinking in your head that a penny is worth 1 cent? You're right. 1 penny equals 1 cent. Okay, so we have to remember those amounts as we start to count money. So our lesson today is going to be counting coins. So I'm going to come over here to my desktop where I have some coins out. And I'm not going to take out any quarters. I'm going to just take out the dimes, nickels, pennies. So first off, we're just going to talk about the value of these 3 coins. So when I think about a dime, I think 10 cents, a nickel 5 cents, and a penny 1 cent. So let's count the value of these coins together. I find the coin that is worth the most amount of money. I touch my dime. I say 10 plus 5 cents, so I'd say 10, 15, add 1 more cent. I have to change in my mind now. I'm counting by ones. 16 cents. So let's go back and try that again. 10, 15, 16 cents. I have 16 cents here on my desk. Okay, but if I have more coins than that, let's say I've got, let's start with just 3 dimes. I've got some coins here. The first thing I want to do is I want to sort the coins. So sorting the coins means to separate them into groups. So I'm going to put all my dimes together. I'm going to move over the nickel and leave a little spot for the penny. So now I have them sorted. The dimes in one group, the nickel, the pennies. And where should I begin counting? Do I start with the dimes, the nickel, or the penny? Remember, you should always start with the coin that's worth the most. So I jump over to the dimes. That's where I want to start. 10, 20, 30. No, I don't say 40 here. That's not a dime, so it's not 10 cents. A nickel is worth 5. 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, 35, and 1 more, 36 cents. Let's count it again. 10, 20, 30, 35, 36 cents. I have a total of 36 cents. Okay, I'll keep these coins, but now let's add some more coins in my mix here. Oh, we'll keep that one out. What's the first thing I should do, boys and girls? If you're thinking sort the coins, you're right. I should sort them into groups. So Let's move all those pennies, those brown coins, into a group. Now I'm left with my silver coins. I can look at the size. The smaller coins are the dimes. I'm going to put them in a group. And my nickels. The nickels are worth 5 cents. So I move them into groups. I sorted my coins. Now I'm ready to begin counting the coins. And I should I start with the pennies? Nope, not the pennies. I need to start with the coin that's worth the most amount of money, so I'm going to go back to the dimes. The dime is worth 10. 10 is more than 5, 10 is more than 1. Let's start with the dimes. 10, 20, 30. I'm changing to nickels, so they're worth 5 cents. So in my mind, I have to change over and count by fives. 10 cents, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45. Now I'm going to count by ones. 46, 47, 48. Count that at home with me. 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48 cents. I have 48 cents in my group today. Okay, one more group of change we'll count together, but I'm going to add in another nickel, and I'll take out a dime, and let's add in one more nickel. Let's do some more fives. So what's the first thing I should do? Can I just start counting? No, I forgot to do something. I need to remember to sort the coins. Let's find all the dimes first, those smaller coins that are worth 10 cents. I can push my pennies together. They're almost together. And what do I have left? My nickels. Okay. I'm going to go jump over here where I see the dimes. I know they're worth 10 cents. They're the highest amount of value is the dime. So I start with the dime worth 10 cents. Ready? 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Oh, I have some ones now, right? I was at 45 cents. Now I have to change in my mind and count by ones. 45, 46, 47, 48. One more time, let's count together. Let's start at the dimes. 10, 20. Now I'm going to jump over and count by fives. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48 cents. Boys and girls, I have 48 cents left on my desktop. So boys and girls, when you're at home counting with mom and dad or grandma and grandpa, make sure you do this. Always remember to sort the coins, just like we did here. We put our dimes in one pile, we put our nickels in one pile, and we put our pennies together. And where do I begin when I want to count? What was the name of the coin I should start with? I always start with that dime. Start with the dimes, count the nickels next, and last count the pennies. Pennies were the coin that was worth 1 cent. Okay, so boys and girls, I know you can do that. Go through your piggy banks at home, check with mom in her coin purse, and practice counting money at home. So boys and girls, thank you for joining me today for a math lesson, and we'll see you for another lesson next time. Goodbye, friends.